Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about something that could be really helpful as we move into the colder months, free COVID tests. So, you might be thinking, didn't that program end? Well, here's some good news. It's back. The government is offering another round of free COVID test kits that you can get delivered straight to your door, and the best part? It's completely free, including shipping. So, whether you've been keeping an eye on COVID cases or just want to be prepared for those winter gatherings, this is definitely worth knowing about. So, here's what you need to know. Starting now, you can go to covidtests.gov and place your order for 4 free at-home testing kits. You don't need to provide insurance or proof of residency, just your name and address, and they'll ship them out beginning next week. Now, if you're someone who's been trying to stay cautious, or if you have family members at higher risk, having these tests on hand can give you some peace of mind. It's especially important because COVID cases have been ticking up again, kind of like we see with the flu every year around this time. But why is this important? Well, testing is still one of the best ways to know if you're dealing with COVID-19 or just a regular cold, especially with so many other respiratory viruses floating around right now. And the tests they're sending out can detect the latest variants, which is great because the virus has been changing so much. Whether you're up to date on your vaccines or not, having these tests at home can help you make better decisions about what to do if you're feeling unwell or planning to see friends and family. Now, you might have some questions like, how long does it take for these tests to arrive? Usually, it's about 5 business days once they start shipping, so you'll have them fairly quickly. And what if you're not internet savvy or know someone who might struggle with ordering online? There's also a toll-free number you can call to place an order by phone. It's a good option if you know someone who could use these tests but might not have easy internet access. Another thing to keep in mind is the expiration dates on your test kits. You might have heard that some COVID tests have expired, but in many cases, the FDA has actually extended the expiration dates. So, before you throw any old tests out, check the updated expiration dates on the FDA's website. You could still use those tests even if the date on the box has passed, which is a relief if you've been holding on to them just in case. And if you're wondering what to do if you test positive with an at-home test, the CDC has some clear guidance. If you get a positive result, it's recommended to stay home and avoid contact with others until you're fever-free for at least 24 hours. You can also share your results with public health officials through the Make My Test Count site, which helps them keep track of the spread of the virus. Now, let's talk about who can get these tests. It's really straightforward. Anyone with a residential address in the US or its territories can order, no health insurance required. It's a great option to have, especially if you're planning to travel or visit family during the holidays. And if you're a caregiver or have someone in your household who's at a higher risk, having these tests around can be really helpful. There's been a lot of talk about the availability of updated vaccines this season, too. If you haven't already, you might want to consider getting the new vaccine, which targets the latest variants and is available for everyone aged 6 months and older. You can get it at your local pharmacy, and they've made it easy to get the flu shot at the same time if you want to. It's all about having options to stay healthy, especially as we head into winter. So, here's what I suggest. Go ahead and place your order for these free COVID tests, even if you're not sure you'll need them right away. It's better to have them on hand just in case, and since it's all free, there's no reason not to. And if you know anyone who might not be aware of this program, share this info with them. It could be really helpful. That's all for today. Stay safe and take care of each other out there. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or thoughts, and I'll be happy to chat more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.